Introducing the Secutron MR-401 Fire Alarm Control Panel. This session will cover its key features. Let's begin with an overview of the MR-401's core functionalities. The MR-401 Addressable Fire Alarm Control Panel is a 1-to-3 SLC loop addressable multi-zoned programmable FACU. Suitable for small to medium jobs, this panel is user-friendly in terms of installation and configuration. It comes pre-assembled and is compatible with Secutron MR-401 series addressable devices. It features a built-in dialer, 4 notification appliance circuits, and supports additional display options. The panel configuration is password protected for security. The MR-401 supports 1-to-3 addressable SLC loops, each loop supporting a maximum of 240 devices from the Secutron MR-401 series, with a total capacity for up to 720 physical devices. Sub-addressing on multi-point devices eliminates the need for additional physical addresses. The unit is shipped pre-assembled with the main components: main board, power supply, user interface, and a red enclosure that can house up to an 18 amp-hour battery. The built-in dialer facilitates communication to the remote central monitoring station, utilizing 2 dedicated phone lines, and supports both SIA and contact ID protocols. Up to 7 remote annunciators can be connected to the panel. The MR-401 features a 4x20 character backlit LCD display. There are 4 power-limited notification appliance circuits, Class B or Class A, with a maximum of 1.5 amps each and a combined total load of 6 amps. NAC circuits offer flexibility and are highly configurable, with options for silenceable or non-silenceable 2-wire sync and silenceable or non-silenceable cadence signals. It supports strobe sync protocols from major manufacturers like Mercom, Gentex, Wheelock, and System Sensor. The panel is UL 10th edition listed and CSFM approved. The MR-401 supports sync strobe protocols from various major manufacturers. It offers software configuration with password protection for security. Features include single-click positive alarm sequence operation and configurable options such as signal silence inhibit, auto signal silence, and one-man walk test. NACs can be set up for silenceable signal, non-silenceable signal, silenceable strobes, non-silenceable strobes, or relay output. Optional items available for the MR-401 include support for up to 2 racks 1048 TZDS LED display adder modules and up to 2 IPS 2424 switch button display adder modules. Additionally, it has a semi-flush or surface mountable enclosure suitable for both retrofits and new installations. The MR-401 provides additional outputs including connections for the MR-2300T remote trouble indicator and the MR-2300PR reverse polarity module. It features an RS-485 bus that can support up to 7 annunciators. Auxiliary power specifications include 24-volt DC, full-wave rectified, unfiltered, and unsupervised, 24-volt DC filtered and regulated, and a 24-volt DC 4-wire resettable power supply. The enclosure can be mounted semi-flush or surface without the need for additional adapter rings or brackets. The MR-401R is a fire alarm panel that comes with a red door, including the main board, power supply, backbox, and main LCD display. The ALC480 is a 480-point dual-loop adder module, providing 2 addressable SLC loops. Each loop can accommodate 240 Secutron MR-401 series devices. The RAX 1048 TZDS is a programmable LED display adder. This annunciator module provides 48 programmable bi-colored LEDs and can be connected to the main control unit or to an annunciator module when mounted remotely. The IPS 2424 provides 24 programmable buttons that can be configured as bypass switches, allowing push-button control of configured bypass groups. The RAM 1032 TZDS is a remote LED annunciator with an option for conformal coding. It provides common annunciator functions and 32 points of LED annunciation and includes controls for system reset, signal silence, lamp test, fire drill, and buzzer silence. The conformal coated version is designated with CC and can be used in a weather-protected version of the BB1000 series enclosures. The RAX 1048 TZDS is an LED annunciator display adder that also comes with a conformal coated option. It has 48 programmable bicolored LEDs and can be connected to the main fire control panel display or a main annunciator module when mounted remotely. The MMX-BB1001DR is a red enclosure designed for a single annunciator. There is also a weather-protected version for CC models. The MMX-BB1002DR is for housing one annunciator and one display adder, with a weather-protected option for CC versions. Lastly, the MMX-BB1003DR enclosure accommodates one annunciator and two display adders. There is no option for a weather-protected version of this type. The MR-2312 SR12 is a smart relay module housed in a red enclosure. It has the capacity to support up to 12 relays. The MGD32 is a 32-point graphic LED driver remote annunciator. It comes with 32 driver outputs and 8 common control switch inputs. The AGD48 is a 48-point graphic LED driver annunciator display adder. The PCS100 is a power supply interface board used for powering the 3G4010CF universal wireless alarm communicator. The MR-2300PR serves as a polarity reversal and city tie module. The MR-2300T is a common remote trouble indicator, featuring a buzzer and LED. Lastly, the MP300 is an end-of-line resistor plate with a built-in 3.9K resistor. Thanks for watching. For additional information, visit Secutron.com or click on the next video in the series for more detailed technical information on the panel, or to view information on the MR-401 series addressable devices.